Hi students, welcome to NFS 131 Fall Semester 2019. I'm going to use this video as a part of orientation to help you navigate throughout the course. This is an online course, so please listen to this video carefully, and you should be able to find the materials that are required for you to be successful in this course. So the first thing, this is how the home page would look like. On the left hand side there are several buttons which will take you to specific link. I will go through them, and on the right hand side, the details of each of those folders will pop up. So first let's go to announcement. So any new announcement I create, it will be posted here. Right now you see there is no announcement, but there will be a welcome announcement that will be posted eventually. Then the next one is the instructor. It gives you all the information about me, how to contact me. The best way to contact me is to use this email address. I normally reply to the email within 24 hours. If I'm not able to clarify your doubt, then we can set up some online meeting using this specific Zoom link. Next we have the orientation. So the video which I am recording right now, it will be posted here under welcome video. I recommend strongly that you observe, listen to this video before you move on to the coursework. There is another activity, icebreaker activity. In this activity, if you click on that, it will take you straight to this specific activity. It will actually, it's just an introduction, introducing yourself. Why do you want to take this course? What is your favorite food? What do you want to achieve from this course? After you are done with that, I have given a quiz here. How well do you know Blackboard? This is an ungraded, untimed quiz. It's just for you to get familiar with the Blackboard. And then I have given another item which calls for feedback from last semester students, and I've also given a PDF document which talks about the memories from last year students and advice, and I've also added some here. So please go through them. It will definitely help you to be successful in this course. Then I've given again another quiz which is also not timed and not graded. It is definition and examples of academic dishonesty, just to get yourself aligned, what are the rules and regulations of academic dishonesty and the plagiarism. The next button which you see here, that is the syllabi. So when you click on syllabi, if you click on this file, the syllabi for this course will pop up. You can download it and save it to your computer. I've also given a weekly schedule, so right at front you know what is coming up for that specific week. Moving on to weekly coursework. So this particular module here, it has the work, lecture materials, learning outcomes for every week is being posted here. So I will show you the first 2 weeks. So the first thing, as I mentioned to you, is the orientation, which you are going to do. You will listen to this video. You can also click on this. It will take us straight to the video. Do the icebreaker activity, complete the ungraded quiz. And this is due by 8/28. Once you are done with that, go back to weekly coursework here, and then click on week 1 food selection. So you will see here the dates are written 8/29 to 9/04. That's how the every week is being planned and organized. I have given you the learning outcomes, objectives for this specific week. Because this is our first week, I am introducing you to 2 assignments which are required for this course. One is a book report assignment where you have to select a specific book. You have to write a summary of the book, okay, and summary of the book should be 2 pages, and then the last page you pick up any issue from the book. Either you support the issue or you argue the issue. So that will be your 3rd page, which is the argument page. That is one assignment. And the second assignment which I have for this course, it is food additive research assignment. you have to select a specific food additive, and then you have to identify 10 food products where this additive is being used to either to improve the function of the food product, or to enhance the color, enhance the appearance. And then part 3, you have to summarize your findings. Once you got a feel about the assignment, the next thing what I would like you to do is to observe this specific video. It is a web linkage. You can just click on this. It will take you straight to the video. Once you have observed the video, there is an assignment based on the video. All the assignments in every week, all the 15 weeks, they are due the last date of that specific week. For example, this week it runs from 8/29 to 9/04. So all the assignments, they are due by 9/4. Please make every possible efforts to submit your assignments on time. If you cannot submit your assignment on time, points will be deducted for late submission. Then I would like you to download, listen to my lecture on food for today, and also read the chapter 1 from the textbook. I've also given some additional videos. One is on nutrigenomics, one is to understand consumer food choice, and I've given a PowerPoint file, on my food plate, just a basic revision of the food science. Once you are done with that, then I've given a chapter 1 review quiz. Every week, at the end of every week, there will be a review quiz. Review quiz will have mostly multiple choice questions. These are all untimed open book tests, so please take your time to complete these quizzes. When you are studying for the test, all the assignment and the quizzes which you have done on the week, you will be tested on that. So you are going to use this as a tool to help you study for your test. And then you will see I've written another item here, what to expect next week. So like for example, next week we are going to talk about the food evaluation techniques and the basics of food preparation. That is how all the week will run. So if you go back to weekly coursework, and then if you click on food evaluation and food preparation, so again same thing, same format, should be very straightforward, should not be difficult at all. So you can see here, all the readings. I've given different types of videos just to help you understand the fact for that specific chapter. The assignments which I discussed for this course, they are also being provided here. Here I've given a sample report assignment for the book, as well as a sample report assignment for food additives. So please download them, go through them, and see what are the requirements, how this needs to be written before you get started on the assignment. I have also added a calendar here where all the upcoming assignment will be posted here. For example, right now you see on August 28 you have the untimed ungraded assignment. Then on September 4 you have the reflection video assignment and the chapter 1 review quiz. I have created a discussion board here. Questions, if you have any questions, or if you want to discuss within yourself, you want to clarify doubt within yourself, you can use this specific forum to discuss your questions. So I hope this is clear. Even after this, if you have some doubts, please feel free to reach out to me, and I am really looking forward to meet all of you, especially looking for the introduction icebreaker activity where I get to know each one of you. So best wishes, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.